Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Nest Realty account, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate your Nest Realty account, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for the Nest Realty website. Once the home page loads, locate the login button in the upper right corner. Click on the login button to go to the sign-in page. If you already have an account, enter your email and password in the respective fields. If you are a new user, look for the Sign Up or Create Account button below the login fields. Click on the Sign Up or Create Account button to begin the registration process. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and a secure password. Review the terms and conditions, and check the box to agree to them. After filling out the form, click on the Submit or Create Account button. Next, check your email inbox for an activation email from Nest Realty. Open the email and look for an activation link. Click on the activation link to verify your account. You may be redirected back to the Nest Realty website. If prompted, log in with your email and password again. Once logged in, you can complete your profile setup. Take a moment to explore the dashboard and familiarize yourself with its features. Your Nest Realty account is now fully activated and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.